Ever wondered about those mesmerizing glowing blobs you see at the aquarium? Let's dive into the secret life of jellyfish. First off, are jellyfish even fish? Nope. They're actually invertebrates, more closely related to corals and sea anemones. They don't have brains, hearts, or bones. So how do they hunt without a brain? They use specialized stinging cells called nematocysts. When something brushes against their tentacles, these tiny harpoons fire venom to paralyze their prey. And here's a mind-blowing fact. One species, the Turritopsis dohrnii, is considered biologically immortal. When it gets old or stressed, it can revert back to its juvenile polyp stage and start its life cycle all over again. They're not picky eaters, munching on small fish, plankton, and even other jellyfish. While most stings are just a painful nuisance to us, some, like the box jellyfish, can be extremely dangerous. Fascinating, right? If you loved learning about these mysterious drifters, hit that like button and subscribe for more ocean wonders. Have you ever stood by the ocean watching those beautiful, almost alien-like blobs drift by? That's right, we're talking about jellyfish. These creatures seem so simple, just floating along, but there's a whole secret world to them that's absolutely fascinating. Today we're diving deep into the mysterious lives of nature's drifters. Are they fish? How do they eat? And could one of them hold the secret to eternal life? Stick around because you're about to see jellyfish in a whole new light. First things first, let's clear up a common misconception. Are jellyfish actually fish? Despite the name, not at all. Fish are vertebrates, meaning they have a backbone. Jellyfish, on the other hand, are invertebrates. They belong to a group of animals called cnidarians, along with sea anemones and corals. They have no bones, no brain, no heart, and no blood. They're basically made of a simple, gelatinous bell-like body and trailing tentacles. In fact, they are about 95% water. So, calling them jellies is actually more accurate. They've been drifting in our oceans for over 500 million years, making them older than dinosaurs and even trees. They are true survivors, ancient mariners of the deep blue. So if they don't have a brain or complex organs, how do they hunt? This is where things get really cool. Jellyfish are carnivores, and their hunting strategy is a marvel of natural engineering. It all comes down to their tentacles. These tentacles are covered in thousands of microscopic stinging cells called kinetocytes. Inside each kinetocyte is a tiny coiled harpoon-like structure called a nematocyst. When a small fish, plankton, or crustacean brushes against a tentacle, it triggers these cells. In a fraction of a second, faster than you can blink, these tiny harpoons shoot out, injecting a potent venom into the prey. It's an incredibly efficient and passive way to catch a meal. The prey is paralyzed, and then the jellyfish uses its oral arms, the shorter frilly appendages around its mouth, to guide the food up into its digestive cavity. It's like having thousands of automatic fishing lines ready to go at all times. Now let's talk about something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, the immortal jellyfish. Can a jellyfish really live forever? Well, one species can, sort of. Meet the Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. This tiny creature, no bigger than your pinky nail, has an incredible ability. When it gets old, sick, or faces extreme stress, it can reverse its life cycle. Instead of dying, it reverts back to its earliest stage of life, a polyp colony. It settles on the seafloor and begins its life all over again, eventually budding off new, genetically identical adult jellyfish. It's like a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar. This process of transdifferentiation can theoretically be repeated forever, granting it a form of biological immortality. Of course, in the wild, they still get eaten by predators or succumb to diseases they can't reverse. But their potential to cheat death is one of nature's most mind-boggling secrets. So, what exactly is on the menu for these gelatinous predators? The diet of a jellyfish is as varied as the jellyfish themselves. Most of them are not picky eaters. Their primary food source is zooplankton, tiny animals drifting in the water. But they also munch on small crustaceans, fish eggs, larvae, and even other smaller jellyfish. Some of the larger species, like the lion's mane jellyfish, can capture and consume surprisingly large prey, including small fish and shrimp. They play a crucial role in the marine food web. By eating plankton, they control its population, and in turn, they become food for other animals like sea turtles, sunfish, and certain types of seabirds. For example, the leatherback sea turtle's diet consists almost exclusively of jellyfish. It's a delicate balance, and jellies are a vital part of it. Finally, the question on many beachgoers' minds: how dangerous are jellyfish to humans? The answer is, it depends. Most jellyfish stings are painful, but not life-threatening. You might experience a burning sensation, red marks, and itching. The stings from common jellyfish like the moon jelly are very mild, and some people don't even feel them. However, there are some species you definitely want to avoid. The box jellyfish, found primarily in the waters around Australia and Southeast Asia, is considered the most venomous marine animal in the world. Its sting can be excruciatingly painful and, in severe cases, fatal. Its venom attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. Then there's the Portuguese man-o'-war, which isn't a true jellyfish but a colony of organisms. Its long, trailing tentacles can deliver a powerful sting even when it's washed up on the beach. So, a good rule of thumb is to admire jellyfish from a distance. If you're ever at the beach and see warning signs for jellyfish, take them seriously. Your best bet is to stay out of the water or wear protective gear. If you do get stung, it's important to seek medical attention, especially if you're having a severe reaction. From their simple ancient origins to their ingenious hunting methods, and even their potential for immortality, jellyfish are far from the simple drifters they appear to be. They are complex, vital, and truly wondrous creatures that have mastered the art of survival in the vast ocean. They remind us that there are still so many secrets hidden beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered. The ocean is full of incredible life, and the humble jellyfish is one of its most enigmatic stars. What an amazing journey into their world. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into the secret life of jellyfish. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the incredible creatures that share our planet, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Until next time, stay curious.